completing the square method. This is a quadratic equation, so we want to show how we can use completing the square method to solve this kind of problem. So we take the constant c to the right hand side. This is the equation. So the first step, you take the constant c to the right hand side, it becomes minus c. Then second step, you divide everything. You divide the coefficient of s squared by a. Alright, so you have that s squared plus bs all over a equal to minus c over a. Now the third step is that you take the square of half of the coefficient of x, the square of half of the coefficient of s. This is what we actually do that makes this topic to be called completing the square. So we are trying to complete this equation here by taking the square of half of the coefficient of what? Of x. So we have s squared plus over a. So we add it to both sides. All squared is equal to minus c over a. So having done that, we pick this one and this one together because it's having square and this one is having square. We'll pick it together and we'll have like this. All squared is equal to, when we square this, we have that b squared over 2 squared is 4, a squared minus c over a. Alright, the next thing we do on this right hand side, we collect LCM. LCM of this and this is this. So 4a squared into 4a squared was 1. 1 times b squared was b squared. Minus this into this, we have 4ac times c will give us 4ac. Now having done that, it therefore implies that we have that s plus b over 2a all squared is equal to b squared minus 4ac all over 4a squared. Okay, coming up here, we take the square root of both sides. Alright, so we take the square root of both sides so as to remove this square. Take the square root of both sides, so we have x plus b all over 2a equal to the square root. Of course, you know we have plus or minus b squared minus 4ac all over 4a squared. Alright, now having done that, we bring this one to this side and then we have that s is equal to minus b all over 2a plus or minus. When you take the square root of the numerator, it will still be the same thing, b squared minus 4ac. When you take the square root of the denominator, we have 2a. Alright, now we take the LCM. Because we have 2a, our LCM becomes 2a. Alright, so 2a into 2a, you have minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac. S equal to this. So this becomes our new equation, which is the formula, the almighty formula, which we normally use to solve quadratic. Is developed from completing the square method. So instead of going through this long process, you can just put in your values here and then you get your answers. Alright, so that's completing the square method for today.